sabi ni Pinoy Biker in Brunei. Isa lang talagang hindi tanong ng NPC kay Auntie Claire, tingin yung flight schedule ni FL na dumating siya sa Pinas para mapatutuhanan niya na fake talaga yung police report. I think the police report should be sufficient kasi pwede naman na umalis siya earlier pero na-question na siya. I don't think that would negate the person of interest angle. Okay? So, uulitin ko, kino-controvert na ni Undersecretary Claire Castro yung alleged police report na lumalabas sa social media. So, my suggestion is, huwag tayo mag-form pa ng conclusions based on that particular document kasi controverted na siya. So, we can still talk about it so long as we talk about it na hindi natin sinasabi na totoo na siya. So, sabi ni Pinoy Biker in Brunei, ayon kay Atty. Dean Chase, malabo daw na makauwi sa Pinas ng March 11 si FL. Lalo na kung iniimbestigahan pa yung kaso ng pagkamatay ni PP. So, pwedeng malabo talaga na makauwi siya ng Pinas. Oh, okay, so that's new input. And sige, we'll take note of that. Hindi pa natin talaga kasi alam yung mga ano yung course of events yung pagkasunod-sunod ng events.